As you can see, I have created a chart sales by manager, and on the right side in the field section you can see we have manager in axis and sales in values. And what will be the legend? For example, my company is working in two business categories. Number one is business and number two is casual. Now I want to break this column to see the actual sales in the business or casual category. So what I'll do, I'll drag this category, this one, and drop it into the legend. Now you can see the name of the actual manager is category and sales. When you hover over it, you have the name of the manager, category and sales. Now if I hover to this different color section, so you can see over here that the category now being changed to business, the result of which I can see the graph according to the different categories. And if I want to see the actual sale in terms of quantity in the tooltip that you can see here whenever I do the hover to the chart, so you can see over here, you see the tooltip. I would like to see the quantity, whether it will be of business or casual. Simply I will drag this quantity to the tooltip. Here we have the quantity. We'll drag this up in the tooltip. Now the advantage of this is visible whenever I do hover to the chart, so I also have the quantity of the respective business category. Now we talk about the filters. You people all know about the filters very well. When you use the filters in Excel, this is the same thing that we are using over here. If I want to see the sales of selective manager instead of all managers, I will click to the drop down and you just click to the check boxes. Though for those that you need to view the managers, the sales of the manager. Of course, you can see the data of the selective managers over here. And notice here that we can see the basic filtering over here. It means that you are working on the basic filtering right now. But now if you go to advanced filter, so you will have some different options. Now I want to see the records of the managers starting from the alphabet A. First, I will go back to the basic filtering and I will do the select all from here, so I can see all managers. And after that I will go to advanced filter. I will set it up and want to see the records of the starting from the A, like it contains, or you can say I will click on it and start with A and apply filter. So you can see over here we have Alphi and Eva in our canvas over here right now. And if I want to clear this very filter, here I have the clear button over here. You can see we have cleared the last filter. In filter type we have the third option of top N. N means that you can type your desired number from which you can see the exact columns that you have typed. For example, if I would like to see the top 3 sales, I will select the top and type 3. Okay, and what I have to see here, the top 3 by values. So what should I drop over here? The sales. Apply filter. Now you can see the top 3 sales of the managers over here. And I wish to see the bottom of the bottom 3 sales. I'll go to bottom and apply filter. Here you go, you have the respective data available. Now finally I have to clear all the filters. We'll go back over here and hit clear filter. After the manager filter, we can apply quantity wise or sales wise filter too. So as you know that both quantity and sales are of numerical values, so you can see over here filter has been updated automatically because it has the numerical data over here. If I go to manager and click to advanced, so you can see in the drop down that we have the data updated according to the manager filter. It is the text, so all the fields is according to the text.